Good morning. I'm Dr. Bancha from Thomson University, Thailand. My topic is about the all-inside meniscus root repair and meniscus extrusion reduction. First of all, I would like to thank the committee, the KOA. This is a picture yesterday for the invitation. And also, I would like to thank Jingu, King of Meniscus root repair. We invited him to Thailand many years ago. At that time, Thailand never recognized the meniscus root tear. And after Jingu gave a talk, and at that time we know, and now we recognize more and more, an early detection of the meniscus root tear. Thank you, Jingu, again. So meniscus root anatomy, first you need to know that the medial root is always happen in the middle edge. Sometimes trivial injury. Okay, patient come with knee pain, joint line pain, but X-ray sometimes look normal. Lateral side, lateral root tear is common injury in ACL injury, so it's totally different. Medial meniscus, middle edge, okay, and lateral side meniscus is always happen in the ACL. That I find in my practice. So after the root tear, there's loss of hook tension, and we know that this will the arthritic change very fast. So there's increased the peak contact pressure on the medial side and decrease the contact area. This is the classification of Rembrandt of the root tear. So the radial tear actually is the radial tear close to the root. So within 9 millimeters we call root tear. So the patient become like a medial joint line pain. X-ray look like this. Okay, very normal, and sometimes you miss it if you didn't send the patient for MRI. So MRI is the best investigation. So now you can see that extrusion, okay, like this, and it is acute. You can see narrow edema on the medial side. It's a ghost sign, disappear, and also the crepe sign. So early detection, you can have a good result. Okay, if the extrusion is less than 3 millimeters and no joint space narrowing, acute edema, this is good. You see, after the repair, it look nice, ghost side come back and the crepe disappear. So sometimes the patient can present to you like also necrosis of the medial side. I found some patient of my also necrosis, they have meniscus root tear, like and about 5 years, the joint space start to narrow. So this is important of root tear. So repair it before getting arthritic change. Early detection is the key. So we focus a bit about the technique. I think very important, we need to release the MCL. Actually, it's not MCL. I release the POL. Okay? After release, at the femoral side, you have more space to work. Okay? This is our publication. This is another simple way to do the root repair. We call the trans tibial tunnel pull out repair. So you can work from the tibia and pass the suture like this to the back of the joint. Okay, and you can repair it like Mason Allen stitch. So without opening the medial compartment. Okay, like that. You work it from the tibia using the meniscus needle. Okay, this is quite simple for the meniscus root tear, but it's good for the meniscus that is not too much distress. Okay, and finally get to like Mason Allen. So another technique is called the all-inside meniscus repair. So is it not too much extrusion? We can use the all-inside like fast fix to repair the meniscus to the PCL. Okay, this is also quite good, but it's good if the meniscus, if the gap is not too much. Another way you can make the all-inside working from the back using the posteromedial portal. Okay, do 2 portals in the back, okay, with 1 cannula. So you can have the suture in like that using the cinch, and then we make a tunnel from the back. Okay, so this is everything working from the back. So no need to release the MCL using this technique. Okay, and pass it in like that. Okay, this is all inside working from the back. So sometimes you can make it like hybrid. Okay, you're working from the back and the front. Okay, making the tunnel from the back is easier. Okay, like that, and then you pass the suture in. to use the like method Allen. So one is vertical, another one is like a cross. Okay, practice it, and finally you get this construct. So this is the meniscus repair technique, and we found that the healing status is vary from 60% to 100%. Jiku have a very good result in meniscus root tear, but the problem is the extrusion. Sometimes you cannot reduce. It's about 50% that you can reduce. It depends on the chronicity. If you do early detection, the early repair, you can get good result. Okay? So this is the too late to repair. Joint space narrow, big gap, extrusion more than 3 millimeters. So this is one example. Okay? If you start to have medial joint space narrowing, you need to unload the medial meniscus using the HTO. So this is the technique. We do the extrusion reduction first. Okay? I use a suture fix. It's make it like mattress. Okay, have the suture. We have the small medial portal. Okay, and reduce this meniscus back. Okay, and then tie the knot. And then after you reduce the extrusion, there's no tension to the root. You can easily repair the root. You see, after you reduce the extrusion, the gap is reduced because you do the centralization of the meniscus, and then we can do the all inside using the fan switch. Like that. Okay. So this is the extrusion reduction together with, and this technique is easy because you can do HTO without tunnel. Because when you do HTO, it does tunnel, you can cut the suture. So using the all inside is good because you have no problem about the tunnel. Okay, this is another patient. You see, you have the tunnel. Sometimes this suture is in the way, so you can cut the suture using this transtibial. So this is the result after surgery. And sometimes you have meniscus tear, medial lateral side. So we propose the technique using the 2 parallel tunnel on the lateral side and 1 on the medial. If you have ACL together with the medial and lateral meniscus root tear. Okay. So you need to manage because the tunnel can be jammed. So this is the article proof that the extrusion reduction is not reduced. So this is the concept of the extrusion reduction. Okay, as we told you. Okay, repair the meniscus. Not only repair, but you need to reduce the extrusion. Okay, this is the article published. Okay, extrusion reduction. So this is the patient that have root tear again. That's meniscus tear, and we reduce the extrusion. Okay. I think it's the same again. Okay. This is another patient. She has the meniscus tear, and we also perform the extrusion reductions and also the meniscus repair. Okay, using the inside, all inside. This is a reduction. And after that, you can repair the meniscus using the all inside. And then combine with the arterial osteotomy. So, this is another patient. This is my friend. He's sitting here. He runs and he has meniscus extrusion. So, I have to save him because he's my good friend. So, I repair the meniscus for him, and also we do the extrusion reductions. Okay. And this is meniscus before, and this is after the repair. Okay. So he's back to run again. He fit and firm. But now he torn another meniscus 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so he requested. He need another surgery. But we need to come here, so we postpone the surgery. So this is my mother. My mother have knee pain. You see her knee. This is 3 years ago. But I missed the meniscus. That's my fault, sorry. So my mother, three years later, she has meniscus torn and joint space narrow. Okay? And you see her meniscus, she has meniscus root tear. Also there's a radial tear also. This 3 years, and I cannot save her knee. Finally, joint replacement. This is my mother. This is my wife. Do not confuse. But sometimes my wife is my mother. Okay, take home message. High suspicion in middle age patient. Do not miss the meniscus root tear. Early repair, you can save the meniscus. Delay repair, you need to repair is not enough. Sometimes you need extrusion reduction and to unload the middle meniscus, middle compartment, you need high field of surgery. Okay, this is APCAS 2020. Please save the date. Come to Thailand 2020 Pattaya. Welcome to Thailand. Thank you.